Assalamu alaikum. Today you are going to create this candle holder with perforations in AutoCAD. Let's get started. Open your template with layers. Go to model space. We are going to start that with a sphere. So right now I am in a 3D interface where you can get to by clicking on the gear. So let's take the sphere and then specify the center point and radius. We are going to keep it 6. So if you click on conceptual, you can see that it is actually 3D. You can turn the grid off. Let's go to the top view, and you're going to draw a rectangle. Now go to the front view. So we're going to move that rectangle to a point where we want to create a flat base. So it can be just approximate where you feel it's right, and then create a copy of that and move upward. And if you have your ortho on, that will help you go straight. Again, you want that where it looks good in terms of the opening. So I'm going to do mine 7.5, 7.5. Now click on one of the rectangles and type region. And that's going to create a plane, and we want to do the same for the next one. So type region and select the other rectangle, enter. So let's move around and see if the location looks good, because we are going to slice on those planes, and it feels like if you want to make some adjustments, you can at this time. So I'm going to move mine upward. Make sure that you are in the front view, and then move where it looks aesthetically appropriate to you. So I'm going to move this 0.5 upward, and also I'm going to move the lower one 0.5 downward. Okay, now you're going to use the slice command. Select the slice command, select objects to slice, that's your solid, enter, and then you're going to select the planar object. So click on planar object and select the plane. And if you select your body, you can see that this is separate and the top is separate. It's been sliced. Now we are going to slice the lower one at this section. Slice again. Select object to slice. enter. Planar object, select the plane, enter. So now we are going to delete or erase the top portion, and you can erase the lower.
Teachers, please pardon this interruption. Warrior Nights will be canceled today. Again, Warrior Nights will be canceled today. Thank you.
And then you're going to erase the lower part and use extrude command, and you can go in negative direction by typing -1. Now to make it hollow, you're going to go to solid and select shell. Select the object, and it says remove faces, so you're going to remove the face. Click on the face and then enter. Now it's asking you enter the shell offset distance, so let's try 0.5. If you wanted to make it thinner, you could go with 0.25. Now we are going to create the profile drawing that you want to make perforations. So let's go to the front view. Go on parallel, and on the side you are going to create some pattern that you want to project onto it. So to keep it simple, I'm going to draw a circle. So I used radius 1, and then I'm going to use 2-point circle. And I type 2, and then I'm going to use polar array, and we are going to see how 5 looks like. So I'm going to create a circle that is slightly smaller than that. 0.75, and then copy that, and then you can delete the reference drawing. So using move command, select all those circles from the center, move it to the center of the part. Now go to the top view, and then move those circles outside. Make a copy of this, and then rotate it 90 degrees, and then move that from center to the center of this. And then move it to the side. to the parallel view, and then we can draw a line from these circles and place them in the middle. Then you can delete this line. On coordinates panel, click on the axis, click on the corner over here and align your z-axis along this edge. And now go to surface and make sure your auto trim is on over here, and then click on project to UCS. Now select all the circles, enter, and then select the surface that you want to project on. And as you can see, that's been projected. Now let's go to go to Home tab again and click on UCS one more time. This time select this corner and drag along this edge so your z-axis is aligned in this direction. Now click on surface, click on surface tab, project to UCS and select these circles, enter, and then select the solid, and that is projected along the new z-axis. And now let's clean the drawing. You can go top view and you can erase those. And your candle holder is complete. You're done. Happy drawing.